Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I am going to be installing this hair in 5 minutes. So this is a 8-inch bob hair. So what we're going to do, we're just going to spray our holding spray on the lace. You can use any holding spray of your choice as long as the lace sticks on the skin. So we're going to be combing our hair to the back. This is to make sure that our hair goes in one direction. So I'm going to be using my fingers to press the lace down just to ensure that the glue spray is where I want it to be and if there is enough glue spray. So just continue securing it. After doing that, you will just wear your stockings or rubber band or whatever you have, whatever you use to tie your hair with. As you can see, I'm just putting all the hair from my face so that I can be able to cut the excess lace. So this can be difficult sometimes, especially when you don't have a mirror. I used my phone to cut the lace, but just make sure you have a mirror so that cuts the lace correctly. And avoid cutting your lace straight. It looks very uneven and unprofessional. It just looks dirty. But once you cut it in a zigzag motion, it kind of look natural, and it kind of blend well as well with your skin. So just try to not cut straight. As you can see, I'm going back in with the scissors just to move the excess lace that I don't want, and I'm going back with my spray glue just to glue the parts that has lifted up, and I'll be using my stocking to tie the front so that the lace can stick on my skin. While we're waiting, we will just go in with a comb and comb the hair. We will just comb it down to get the bob style. Then we will use our sticky wax to apply on our hair. A sticky wax, guys, it's a must have. This thing does magic. It helps for the flyaways. It helps for your hair to be in one position or one style. It's just so amazing. It goes very well with the hot comb. As you can see, I am just combing my hair with a hot comb, and a hot comb also helps my hair to like stay in one position, guys. So I am going in with some rollers now. We will go in with some rollers to just give our bob that curve on the bottom. Since that I am flat ironing it, I am not straightening it or anything like that. We will just go with the color to give it that look. And now, as you can see, our bob is looking so fly, guys. It's looking so nice. I'm so in love with this hair. I am so in love with the bob. It's just so beautiful. So we will just double check the ends, make sure our hairstyle is in place, and here you go, guys. This is the final look. So please let me know what you think about this hair, because I am obsessed. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up, and please comment on the section down below on what you think about this installation and what installation would you prefer. Thank you and bye.